Hello there, this is Kay, the travel boss, and I'm here with exciting news. Have you heard of New Zealand? Yes, the country New Zealand. Do you know that you can apply the visa at the comfort of your home, your offices, or wherever you think you want to be? New Zealand. Yes, in other words, New Zealand. It is in Oceania, and it is a beautiful country with over 5 million people for population, and they speak English. Yes, it is located at the southwestern Pacific Ocean, and New Zealand, being a beautiful country with employment for you, has the most easiest visa applications. You do not need to go through an agent. You can do this at the comfort of your home, on your phone or your PC. Every upload will be done via your phone or your computer. No agent fee, nothing at all of that sort. And this country's capital city is called Wellington. How do you go about New Zealand's visa application? It is simply online, and being an African, first you need to know where to do your submission through your VAC. DHL will have to send your application to a VAC, a visa application center. If you are from Ghana, where I come from, you might not get any visa consulate for New Zealand in Accra, Tema, or anywhere in Ghana, and you might not get a VAC to do your submissions. That way, most of the African countries will need to submit their documents through DHL to South Africa, Pretoria. They would have to take care of your document when it comes to your visa application center. There will be back and forth mails alerting you. The process is very simple, very easy, and you may even apply a visa without having anybody there to send you an invite. Either you are going for education, either you are going for visit. You just need to prove that you are financially eligible enough to apply for visa. Let me explain a few things about the country New Zealand. The people are so welcoming. Of course, racism is everywhere, but New Zealand, I could say, have the least racism. People from America, which is United States, United Kingdom, who has ever visited New Zealand, love the country. Coming from Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa, the flight may, yes, be a bit lengthy, but the country itself has opportunities for you via education, either for work. And when we say you are seeking for a greener pasture, New Zealand should be one of the places that you seek for, or you seek for a greener pasture from. So the visa application, like I said, is solely done online. As an African who is not in particular countries, you will need an NZITA. That is an electronic visa that is printed for you, e-visa, where it might not be pasted in your passport. If you have ever attained the Dubai visa, it is printed on an A4 sheet, which is an entry permit. New Zealand has the same process. This time, you would have to apply online. You have to give your normal information about yourself pertaining to why you want to travel, your proof of ties, your financial stability in your country, and probably things to show that you are well to do or you will not be a burden on the country. You will love it in New Zealand. Few years ago, about 2 years ago, myself, I applied for a New Zealand visa as to see my stepsister who has never been to Ghana and is white. The process itself was very simple to attain a visa, and this is why Being someone that owns a travel and tour, I can explain to you how to attain a New Zealand visa. The process is online. Via the website showing on the screen, you have to fill just your day-to-day biography about yourself, like your name, your date of birth, your purpose of visiting, and your address here. This will be used for your visa application and for sending your document to Pretoria, South Africa for processing and bringing back. Do not forget when you are sending your document to South Africa, put an address for when your passport is returned back. Now, when your passport gets to Pretoria, they would give you a call confirming your passport has been received by the person who signed, of course, by DHL. DHL will be doing all this. Then your process starts. Based on the form you filled online and the document you uploaded, when I'm talking about the form you filled online, I'll be taking you through the website, videos on how to put your information on the website, and if you're eligible or not, if your country is eligible or not. And I tell you this because I own a travel and tour, I know more about this. I can help make your visa application a success when you follow the step by step. So, where were we? I was talking about putting your correct address. When it comes to visa application and countries like UK, Germany, or countries that has to take your passport away, make sure your return address is right, because when they return your passport, they might either call you to come for it or send it to that address or a DHL located in that area. To avoid making this video a very lengthy one, I have made a full tutorial on the part 2 of the video, teaching you step by step on how to apply, how to fill your forms, documents you will require, and how to post your passport and the documents to Pretoria or your VAC closer to you. Probably you are watching the video from South Africa, your VAC in Pretoria, or if you are watching from any other African country and there's a VAC that accepts the New Zealand application, how to send your document, the requirement and what you need. I'll be teaching all that in the part 2 of this video. Kindly subscribe, follow, like, and share. And do not forget to hit that bell icon for more notifications and for new videos when we post. Follow me, let's explore the world. Let's make traveling our hobby. Let's see places, beautiful places. And let's make this life an interesting one because you only live once.